Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlink connected accounts from Steam. Alright, let's begin. First, you should know that Steam does not provide a direct option to unlink connected accounts from its platform. Instead, you need to go to the external account service that is currently linked to your Steam account. For example, if your Steam account is connected to Epic Games, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Log into your account, then click on your profile icon and navigate to the Account Settings section. From there, find the Linked Accounts tab where all connected platforms are listed. Locate Steam in the list and select the option to unlink or disconnect it. Before confirming, carefully read any warnings or conditions, as unlinking may remove certain data. Once confirmed, the connection between Steam and that platform will be removed successfully. So that's basically how you can unlink connected accounts from Steam. That's it for this video. Thanks!